Hi everyone and welcome to another live trading series. It is 7 a.m. on Monday, August 1st. I'm going to be showing you my income for June and July. No trades today, just going to give you an income update. Doing this before I go to work because I'm super behind on everything, including life. So if we go right into it, I've had a good few months, mainly a good July. So I just want to show you my income for 2 months. I'm going to delete that. So in June, I made 6,200 in cash. In July, I made 17,500. Now, the reason why I'm taking out this negative 4,082 because I try to track everything on cash basis. So I bought long calls I bought puts. These are puts. Bought puts. These are puts on the S&P 500. So this is cash out, but it looks like I only made 6,500, but it's not real. I'm just doing everything on cash basis. So I'm going to quickly go over my income and then give you my thoughts on the market or where I'm going or what I've been doing. Things changed quickly from June to July. I was selling a lot of cash secured puts, as you can see on Square and AMD, and I ended up getting assigned because everything went down so much. So in July, I had zero cash secured put income, which was my main strategy. Now it's all covered call because I got assigned the shares, but now I might be losing the shares, but we'll go over it. Something different that I started doing recently is buying options. I'm not very good at buying options, but if I highlight these two items, let's put these in royal blue. That's not royal blue. This it is. So I bought 3 calls for $3,500, sold them just 10 days later for a nice 15% profit, I guess. Not like dollar wise, it's not much. It's $500, but I'm just dabbling in trading options. Buying options. I'm an option seller, not much experience buying options because too many things have to go right. Too many things have to go your way. Let me change this to the same format. There we go. Let's quickly go over the strategies. Covered calls, $1,600 in income. Credit spreads, 918, which is not bad. Long calls, 500. Poor man's covered call, almost $2,000 in cash secured put, $1,100. I've been sticking with the same few tickers. As you can see, I used to do like 60 trades a month, and now this is only 30 in June and 31 in July because I'm sitting on a lot of cash. I'm not really sure what to do. So based on my portfolio, this is great income. Based on the amount of trades I made, this is great income, $6,000. Like I'm using 50% of my portfolio, around $500,000. So 6 grand is a lot, but if you look at 6 grand over my total portfolio, it's not that impressive, but mainly because I'm waiting to see what happens in the market. Is there anything specific I want to go over? I've been doing a lot of Tesla. So I have a poor man's covered call that I've been doing weekly. Like you see here, I made 597, and then the week after I made 554. The week after, did I make more? I made $400. So every week I'm making at least at least $400. And this involves closing it. So you see here, I made $800, but it cost me $279 to close it. So this is my net. I'm not showing just purely what I made. This is like the cash that I earned. If we go down, this is me rolling down AMD because it ended up dropping a lot and I didn't want to get assigned, but I ended up getting assigned, as you can see over here, I believe. I've been selling weeklies on AMD. It's been going well. Their earnings are tomorrow, August 2nd, so we'll see what happens there. Nothing important in June. In July, I went nuts on Tesla. As you can see, like half my trades. Like I'm only using 3 tickers, Tesla, AMD, Square. Oh, and NIO, I guess. So I ended up getting assigned. In NIO, I got assigned on 1,500 shares at $20. So I turned around and sold 15 covered calls at a monthly expiration. So let's see what happened here. So almost $1,400 on July 12th. And then a week later, July 19th, I closed it for $400. So I sold a 34-day option, but within 7 days, I closed it for 75% profit. So I made 987. Then I went and sold another one. Pretty sure I sold another NIO. There should be another NIO here. NIO covered call. Buy to close. Let me try to find the other NIO. I have it pulled up here. You know what? I'll update it I'll update it in a bit. Let me quickly go over the income. I think this has to change. So I made 4,500 on covered calls. That's because I got assigned on Square like this and AMD right here. There's more AMD around $1,200. Not bad for doing the weeklies. Credit spreads 3,600. I just been doing vertical calls on Tesla. Been working out pretty well. Long call minus 4,000. This looks like a loss, but it's not. This is just a cash out. I have yet to close it. And then poor man's covered call, $3,100. This is Apple, AMD, and Tesla, Apple, and Nvidia. I've been trying to monitor everything related to my poor man's covered call, but been struggling to maintain everything. But I should go back and try to update all of these. So my call on Tesla is almost fully paid off, which is interesting. Let me just go back. If we look here, NIO, I have, see this? I don't have this written down anywhere. I remember selling this, but it's not there. It's not there. I feel like this is an error. So I sold the August 19th, 2250 for $98 a contract. Now it's $45 a contract. I should probably close this out because it's like 50% profitable and maybe roll it to the future. If we look at AMD, I'm sitting at right now. It's annoying. So I probably could have made more money if I held on to the shares. Possibly. But I didn't think AMD would go up to 94, 95 already. So I got assigned at 89. I sold covered calls at 90 and sitting at a gain on the shares, unrealized loss on the options, but I don't mind getting these called away and I'll get back my $45,000 or $47,000, which is okay. Then if I go, I just want to go, let me try to find the trade. All right, jumping back into it, I ended up finding the trade I made. I ended up selling 15 covered calls on NIO for the 2250 strike for 1453 again. So this was another $1,000 or so. So my income in July was actually 12,500. So I'm not sure why I missed that, but good catch by myself. Let's quickly go through what's happening in the market. The last few days after the FOMC meeting, everything kind of went up. Like Amazon after earning went up 10%. Apple's been doing really well. My calls are now in the money for Apple. Let's try to find it. So I have a poor man's covered call on Apple, and it's at 157.50, even though Apple's at 162. So these are in the money. It might get called away, but I will roll it. I do think Apple will come down. This is a temporary gain, I believe, or a temporary rally. I don't think it'll last. I'm sitting on an unrealized loss on Google shares. I do want to sell covered calls, but the income, the premium hasn't been that high, so I'm not really that interested. But I want to see if there's anything else I need to show. Like on my SPY calls, I'm losing $5,000 so far. Like these were profitable until this recent rally, which is kind of frustrating, but nothing really I could do there. I'm still on a big $17,000 loss on my NVIDIA poor man's covered call, but I do have 500 days left. Is there anything else I want to show you? Up $26,000 on my Leap, but this doesn't mean much because I'm not gonna sell it. Like I'm not gonna realize this gain. I'm probably just gonna accept the shares. I have 172 days left, not dollars. They were doing well after earnings. The premium and the volatility is pretty high, but it kind of drops down after earnings. So I don't know. These trades might not sit around here for too long. But sorry, so I'm going to edit that out. I'm going to leave it here. A short video today, I hope. Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.